If you want to set a photo as a wallpaper on Google Pixel 10, you can, for example, open Settings. Now over here we're gonna choose Wallpaper and Style. Now go ahead and choose More Wallpapers. And then we have choose a photo at the top. So let's select this option, and now you can try to find your photo. So let's say I'm gonna go through photos over here, and I can pick a photo. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one here. And then we have the preview in the lock screen and home screen. We can tap on the preview, for example, into home screen, in order to then adjust the photo. So we can move it up, down, we can resize it a little bit. And then once we are ready, press this check in the top right corner. Over here at the bottom, we have effects that you can apply. For example, we have different shapes. There we go. We have a weather, which will be actually synchronized. It can be actually synchronized with the local weather if you want to. And we also have cinematic, which has to be downloaded to be able to use it. Once you are done, we can press this check in the top right corner. And then go next. And you can apply it to the lock screen and home screen, or just one of them if you want to, by unchecking these options. Press apply. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.